Ready to ditch the chaos and take control of your schedule like a pro. First, let's create an event. Click the Create button. Usually located in the top left corner, this opens a detailed event creation window. Give your event a title. Be specific. Now, set the date and time. Use the drop-down menus to select the correct day and adjust the start and end times to invite guests. Simply type their email addresses into the Add Guests field. Want to make it a video call? Click Add Google Meet Video Conferencing to remind yourself. Use the Notifications section to set reminders via pop-up or email, ensuring you never miss an important meeting. Google Calendar offers various viewing options. Click the drop-down menu in the top right corner to toggle between day, week, month, year, and schedule views, finding what works best for you. Need separate calendars for work and personal life? In the left panel, find Other Calendars. Click the plus icon, then create new calendar. Give it a name and description for easy identification. The beauty of Google Calendar is its cross-device functionality. Access your schedule on your computer, phone, or tablet. Everything stays synced, keeping you organized wherever you go. Master these steps, and you'll be managing your time like a champion in no time.